Shout and let me hear you.
That was completely generated in Suno using nothing but a single prompt and some clever tags in the lyrics. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to explore some of Suno AI's special tags, little commands you can put inside brackets in your lyrics to shape how your music sounds. With these, you can really push the limits of what your vocals and instrumentation can do. To make it interesting, we'll add in each tag directly into the lyrics so we can hear it for ourselves later. Stick with me. This is going to be wild when you hear the output. First up is the epic intro tag. This tells Suno to open with something grand, dramatic, and attention-grabbing. Let's add this to play it later. Next, we have the slow build tag. This makes the music gradually rise in intensity, like it's getting ready for a drop. Let's add this in, too. Now comes the explosive drop tag. This tag tells Suno to hit you with maximum energy, usually with drums, bass, or even vocals. Let's add this to play it later. Let's change the vibe completely with the spoken word tag. This switches the vocal delivery to more of a talking style, almost like narrating over the music. Let's add this into our song. After that, we'll use the whispered verse tag. This tag softens the vocal into a hushed, intimate tone, perfect for a quiet moment before things get big again. Let's add this in too. Then let's do a shouted chorus. This adds power and volume to the vocals. Imagine a stadium sing-along. Let's add this in too. Now we're trying the opera solo tag. This tells Suno to switch to a big, dramatic, operatic vocal. Think soaring high notes with plenty of vibrato, like you're in a grand theater. Let's add that too. Finally, for this section, let's add a guitar solo tag. This tells Suno to drop in a guitar lead or riff, often instrumental, sometimes with wild shredding. There, adding this in. Before we hit generate, here's the Suno prompt I crafted to drive the sound. Funky electropop with disco bass. Sassy female lead plus hype male ad-libs. Energetic and cheeky. Include a dramatic operatic soprano solo with long vibrato notes in the style of a grand Italian opera, full of reverb and spotlighted in the mix. This prompt sets the overall genre, mood, and vocal style, while the tags in our lyrics control the changes in energy, style, and instrumentation from section to section. The impact? It makes the track dynamic, surprising, and way more fun to listen to. But remember, tags are suggestions, not hard commands. Suno might interpret them differently, depending on the surrounding lyrics and the musical context, so you may not always get a perfect match on the first try. It can also blend some tags subtly, instead of making them over the top. Alright, now that we've added all these wicked tags into our lyrics, let's hit generate and see how this song sounds. I'm so pumped for this. Here we go.
Welcome to the epic intro. Lights up, let's go.
Here comes the slow build, one beat at a time. Explodes! Drop!
Everybody jump. Okay, here's the spoken word part. Totally serious voice.
Whispered verse. Tell you secrets in the dark.
Shout and let me hear you.
I absolutely love how that turned out. The tags really worked. Every section had its own vibe, and it all flowed together perfectly. The only one that didn't fully land was the whispering part. But honestly, given the overall energy of the song, it still fit the vibe. This just goes to show how powerful Suno's special tags can be when you combine them with a strong prompt and creative lyrics. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment with the tag you're most excited to try, and subscribe for more AI music tips. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep making awesome music.